Here's a quick video to highlight this natural spalted ash bowl. This is a unique shaped bowl. It's got a lot of natural features, and it does feature a closed rim. So the rim on the bowl, hopefully you can see it here, does kind of curve around and wrap around. You can kind of get your fingers in there. You've got a nice lip that runs all the way around on the inside. It does create kind of a unique shape. And not only is this bowl a unique, interesting shape, but the spalting that has occurred naturally in this ash bowl is just gorgeous and really cannot be repeated. It is really, really, really an interesting piece. It's a relatively large bowl, so it's about 11 inches wide. I mentioned that the rim is closed, so the opening on it is about 8 inches, but there's plenty of depth, plenty of space in it. We consider pieces like this kind of functional art, so there's many different things that you can use this for. The bowl could be used in your home decor. It could also be used in the kitchen. You could easily mix a salad or other things in it, keep fruit in it. Many different uses for a bowl like this, but it's got so many unique features. It's got spalting. There are a few bug holes in it. Most of the bug holes on this bowl have been filled. So everything is nice and smooth. There is remnants of a bark inclusion here on the exterior, and then you've got this nice big wide bottom here on the interior of the bowl. The black streaking, the grays, there's all kinds of different kind of natural colors, and a nice smooth finish all around. If you'd like to add this unique spalted ash bowl to your collection, there's a link in the description below that'll take you directly to this bowl in our online store. From there you can purchase it, and we would love to send it to you.